Alright, here we are at the Waterfall Hut. Andrew, tell us about your day.
I had about 20 shots at hares. It's a new CZ rifle, and yeah, it was wonderful. Didn't hit a thing. No comment after that.
Alright, here's our bunk beds. Got the fire going. Cooktop. Feels nice. Nice warm day. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8 bunks. I hang our food up there so the little mice don't get it. There we go. Got to remember to sign the hut book. This is vacation day number 1. Good food, nachos for dinner tonight. Compliments for Chef Andrew.
Nachos.
Spongy food afterwards?
Yes, oh yes. It's amazing that spongy food just goes perfectly with nachos.
Yeah.
Don, tell us about your day.
What?
Tell us about your day.
Today? Well, we've slaughtered a huge hare. With a 7 mil. Which definitely stopped it in its tracks.
Exactly.
I think that the 17 would have stopped in his tracks if it was
Shooting straight.
able to hit something.
Yeah.